Hey everyone, welcome to Zoloblocks. In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to use the counter block to create interactive counters in Gutenberg. So let's get started. We're in the Gutenberg editor. To add a container block, type / and select container for a single column layout. In the Extra Options tab, you can adjust the padding for better content area. Click inside the empty container and choose the counter block to insert it. The counter block's default appearance shows a value that increases dynamically from start to end point. Under the Basic tab in the General section, you can choose from 3 preset counter appearances with different icon placements. The 4 buttons let you show or hide the icon, number, suffix, and title. You can also align the counter content. In the Content Customization section, you can customize the counter number, suffix, and title fields according to your preferences. And there's another section at the bottom for the icon. You can add a flat icon or image for the counter icon. These are the basics. Now, let's move on to the Style tab for interface customization. In this section, you can customize the container area surrounding the counter block. You will find options for border, border radius, padding, box shadow, and background. Once you have a nice padding arrangement, you can choose a background color for the counter body. Next is the Icon section. Here, you can change the color and size of the icon, add a border, and modify the border radius. You can also customize the padding, margin, background color, and box shadow for the icon. Moving on to the counter section, you can customize the color of the counter number and suffix. The typography option here allows you to customize the font style with several choices. You can customize various options such as font family, size, weight, style, and line height. Additionally, there's a scroll bar for adjusting the space between the number and suffix. You can also modify text shadow, stroke, and margin. Moving on to the title section, you can customize the title text using tags, colors, and typography. Once you're satisfied with the color, you can adjust the typography. If you're happy with the appearance of your counter, you can go inside the list view, select the container, change the flex direction to rows, and duplicate the counter block. Then, simply update the content values with your page information. Once you're done, hit save, and your counter is ready to go. There are many ways to customize the counter block to fit your landing pages. You can also refer to these pre-made patterns to improve your design game. Thanks for choosing Zoloblocks. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on our latest block tutorials. And don't forget to stay connected with BdThemes.